how to set up cellular data on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can set up cellular data on iPhone. Well, setting up cellular data on iPhone is pretty simple. Now, first things first, you'll need to have a SIM. Now, if you have a SIM slot available, you want to fill that in if you want to use the data, or if you have the eSIM, you want to make sure it is activated. Then all you got to do is you can simply head into settings. Once you're in the settings, you can see cellular, and from here you can toggle it off and on. You can see cellular data options for voice and data mode, and you can limit IP address tracking as well. You can select the network selection, your number, Wi-Fi calling if you want to enable it or disable it, and you can see courier services and various other options. So you can either enable or disable it, or if you swipe down from the right hand side, top right of your screen, then you'll be able to find the cellular data. You can toggle it on or off from here as well. So this is how you can set up your cellular data on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.